Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can turn off notification sounds in Microsoft Teams. So it's really quick and easy. The first thing that you will have to do is ensure that you've already logged into your Microsoft Teams account. And now that you're here, you will just have to click the three dots icon right here and then click settings. And now that you're here, what you will do is click notifications and activity. And then you will just have to click mute all notifications except for calls and meetings. So just go ahead and click that. But if you want to turn off just the notification sounds in Microsoft Teams, is you'll just have to uncheck all these boxes, and you won't be and then you will just be able to turn off your notification sounds. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And again, you just have to toggle this all off so that you will be able to disable all notification sounds. And by the way, you could also customize individual notification types if you don't want to mute everything. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.